Well, good day everyone. Well, I'm out doing chores this morning. It's a beautiful sunrise, hard to see. Might blow up my camera there. But we're out doing the chores like I just said. Just hanging out here, checking out spruce, maple, nori. They're just chilling this morning. Sitting down on the compost here. So what I've been doing here last week with a tractor is I've been cleaning all this hay out that was piled up here. It was like 2 or 3 feet deep. And I've been making my compost pile here. And as you can see, it's cooking in there. You can see the steam rising off of it. And that's gonna break down. It's already dropped in size from when I started doing it. I have a lot more to add to it today. I have to go clean the barn out there. Got a bunch of stuff inside where there were cows installed there for a few days. I need to clean the hay out of there. And then you get back here, hopefully today if I get time with the tractor as well. I got cleaning out the walk-ins here for the cats as well. Because I need to fix a back wall that's busted out. I was using screws, should have used some nails at the bottom to hold it tighter. But anyways, that's the job for today, is add to the compost pile here and watch it steam away and break down, and that's how we make our compost on the farm here for all our garden beds. And I'll turn that as well with the tractor. Once I get more piles on, I'll let it sit for a few weeks and then turn it 2 or 3 times and help break it down a lot faster. And then yeah, most people when they do the compost, they just add your greens and browns for a small compost pile. But here on the farm, with all the hay and manure mixed in, hay would be, I guess, your greens, which they're still kind of your browns now because they've dried off, but it works well, as you can see from our nice steaming pile. And it's amazing. And probably like a month, this pile will probably be broken down in half, and then by fall time it'll be down to like a quarter of that. It's ridiculous how fast it breaks down once it gets cooking in there. And you can walk up there, if you put your hand in there, you could feel the heat radiating off of that pile in there. So that's a lot of energy going. You can just see all the steam rising up. In the fall time too, if it's still breaking down really fast, it's really steamy because it's super cold out. Anyways guys, I just want to show you a quick little compost pile project that we do here every year and how we make our compost. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you out there.